What's up, y'all? It's your girl Destiny Moche, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I am going to be doing just a quick install from Outre Hair. This is their Yvette wig, and this is the perfect hairline line that they have. It comes with the adjustable band and 3 wig combs. This is also the hairline. It is a 13 by 6. I mean the frontal is a 13 by 6 frontal. And this is just me putting it on my wig head to show you guys the hairline. No, I did not pluck the hairline. I wanted you guys to see it. However, you can't really get a good look at the hairline because my wig head has a bunch of flowers and doodads. So yeah, but you can see, you know, this is a lot of space to part and however you guys want to dress the wig. Alright, so now I'm going to take down my hair in all its ratchetness glory. And I had my hair down under a wig and so on, so I literally forgot how this works. I'm so used to having a fro or braids, so it was just a mess at this part. Trying to just remember how things go. I eventually put in a ponytail, but you know, that's all I'm doing right here. So enjoy. For some reason, it has the little tag things inside of the wig, so I had to cut that off before I could even start. So I have never did a frontal install on camera, so this is literally my first time, so y'all gotta bear with me. You have to, this is one of those trust the process type things. So if trust the process was a person, it's definitely me. So basically I am just trying to fit the wig on my head, and once I get it fit on my head, you know, I am going to try to slick it down, glue it on my head, and this is gonna be a hot mess. Just watch. But I fix it, so just remember, trust the process. Okay, so here's the part where it's like a Destiny moment, because why didn't I blow dry the glue instead of waving at it? Like, that's so ghetto. Like, you have a whole blow dryer sitting next to you. Why didn't you blow dry? You're just gonna wave at it. But, you know, it works. Trust the process. This part I struggled a little bit because, like I said, this is my first time doing a frontal on camera. Normally I cut the lace off before I even tried to put the freeze spray, but I was trying to be professional and try to seem like I knew what I was doing, but I didn't. But yeah, so I had a little hard time doing it right here. Once you see me cut the legs, you will see that I missed my whole forehead. Y'all just watch. See what I mean? Like, this wasn't even on my head, so so I missed my whole forehead. But I do go off camera and I fix it once I, figure out where I wanted the wig to be placed. I go off camera so I could see better inside of the mirror and fix it. So here's a little YouTube magic. Oh, the YouTube magic hasn't started yet, but it will. Just a moment. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. And voila, there's the YouTube magic. I have it where I need it to be placed. I have the top part glued down. I'm going to work on the sides, and then I'll come back again after that to show you how I style it. And yeah, remember, trust the process. Alright, so now that the wig is on, I'm going to work on styling it. So originally I was going to make baby hairs. So that's why you see me taking it down, so that I could get the part correctly, so I can make some baby hairs since I did not pluck the frontal. You can also see that my ponytail is sticking out the back, but you will see that I fixed it in a little bit. But like I said, so I'm using a comb to just make some like small pieces to do the baby hairs. But as I'm picking out my pieces for baby hairs, I realized, ooh, I like that little bang right there, So I'm like, okay, maybe I should do a half up, half down. So I started pulling out this side, and I'm like, maybe I should make baby hairs, on the sides only. And then I'm like, no, let's try with the other side as well. So I eventually do a double bang on both sides and decide on a half up, half down with 2 bangs in the front hairstyle. Please keep in mind that this is a synthetic wig if you do purchase it. So as you know, synthetic wigs, they tangle super duper easily. So please be careful when trying to get this up, because your scrunchie or whatever you use to do your half up ponytail, it could get tangled inside of the ponytail. So once I get the ponytail together, I do a quick little ooh ah for you, so model, and then I take a small piece from the back and I just wrap it around the front of the ponytail so that you can't see the scrunchie or elastic band, however you guys say it, in the front. And then it also gives like a nice little touch in the front when you know take pictures and stuff. So that's what I'm doing right now. And like I said, remember this is synthetic, so it can tangle very easily. Once I make it to the end, I take a little Got To Be Glue Free spray just to finish wrapping it around the circle of the elastic band or whatever, so that it could stick and it won't come off. Also, you can try a bobby pin instead if you don't want to use the freeze spray. And I finish off my look, and I'm about to go off camera, do my makeup, blend the lace a little bit more, and I'll be back. So this is the finished look with my makeup done. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching.